Let us now study about the principle of superposition of waves. To define this, it says when two or more waves of the same kind, that is, either transverse or longitudinal waves, pass through the same medium at the same time, the resultant displacement at any point is equal to the vector sum of the individual displacement at that point. To understand this, let's think of a wave. A wave equation is given the form y of xt, that is y is a function of x and t, is equal to a into sine of omega t minus kx, assuming that the wave moves along the positive x direction. And this means that the form of this would be of this kind, where this height is called as amplitude, this is y, this is t, and this will keep on changing. Apparently at this moment, take a snapshot of a wave, this is what we would see. Later it would change. Every particle would oscillate between the two extreme points. It will oscillate between the two extreme points like this. So that extreme distance from the mean position is called as a. Omega is called angular frequency, a is called as angular wave number. Now in this case, imagine that this a is say like 3 meter, for example, means every particle would oscillate up to 3 meters in the up direction, 3 in the down direction. This is for a given wave. If we have some other wave which is coming through this, where that wave, let us call as say y2, this is y1. If that wave has a different amplitude, in that case the particles will have a different amplitude. Suppose if the two waves superimpose, that is a wave coming like this, a wave coming from this side, the superimpose any given point will have a different amplitude. So that amplitude or that displacement is given by this principle. So if we assume a case where there are many waves, let us take that the displacement of each wave is given by y1, y2, y3, etc. yn. That is, if n waves are moving in a given medium, then at any given point, the net displacement, thus the resultant displacement, which is y, is given by y1 plus y2, etc. plus yn. Here we are adding the displacements vectorially. This is called as principle of superposition of waves.